How to make him chase you. You might go out of your way to get a guy's interest, attention, and hopefully his heart if you really like him. Rather than yarning after him attempting to be the one who does all the chasing, the good news is that there are 11 key strategies to turn the tables and have him chase you instead. 11. Be curious, but not overly so. Yes, you shouldn't be too easy to get when it comes to attracting a man's attention. You must provide him the opportunity to work for it. However, this does not imply that you should absolutely withhold all attention and affection. Of course, you should contribute a bit as well. Demonstrate that you care about him. Show an interest in his hobbies, his life, and the way he thinks. Allow him to feel as if he has something to work with by fanning the flames a little. Make sure you don't exhibit too much curiosity though. Don't fawn over him. Ask a question, provide a compliment, and then take a breath. Just slightly open the door, and he will want to open it all the way. Also, remember to return the favor when he expresses an interest in you and queries you. Don't forget to share a little about yourself. As a result, you'll get a taste of your brilliance and crave more. 10. No extra benefits. The push and pull, the thirst, and the yearning are all part of the delicate dance between a woman and a man. If you give everything away too soon, your thirst will be satiated, and your hunger will be sated. And it's not just about sex, though that's a significant part of it. It's also about the various advantages of having a boyfriend, the emotional support, the sense of security, and the certainty that you are theirs. All of these things are for the time when your man genuinely becomes yours. But until then, make him desire more by making them want what you have to offer. 9. Don't be shy to flirt. Flirting is a natural human instinct when you like someone, and it's a go-to when you want to hook them. And it's that way for a reason. It works. A little flirtatiousness makes men go crazy. It revs up their motors and shakes the foundations of their worlds. The butterflies in the stomach and the sexual tension in the air are heightened by flirting. It keeps you both interested. It's also enjoyable. So have some fun with him, flirt with him. Get him hooked on something. Remember that the secret to successful flirting is not to overdo it. Maintain a light tone, get his heart racing, and leave him wanting more. Keep it understated, a hint to what's to come in the future. He'll catch a glimpse of what he could have and understand how desperately he desires it. Let the game of tag begin. 8. Stay within his circle. That's right, you should avoid making yourself constantly available to him. This isn't what we mean when we say we'll stay in his circle. This is what we mean when we say keep near. Maintain your presence in his life. Not as a girl who is just there and waiting to be snatched, but as a woman he will see for who she is. A desirable woman he will want to pursue. When you like someone, being close to them is beneficial. So don't be available to him. But if you're around doing your thing and being the incredible woman you are, he'll recognize you for who you are, the woman he desires. 7. You must contribute a bit. Again, don't give everything away for free at the same time. That's exactly what you don't want to happen. Men want to feel like they have to work for something because they believe it is worth something if they have to work for it. But with that said, you must also know when to give a bit. He may throw in the towel if you play too hard to get or too distant because he believes there is nothing left to seek and earn. So during the entire relationship or chase, recognize when the time is appropriate, and when that happens, reward him a bit. Give him a hug, kiss on the cheek, or just lean in close to him. If you show him some tenderness now and then, it will re-energize his spirit and boost his resolve to pursue and win you. 6. Patience is a virtue. That's right, and more importantly, it's essential for making a man want to pursue you. Yes, he appeals to you. You're completely enamored with him. Of course, you wish you would just hurry things up and get it done. You wish he'd hurry up and chase you down so you could be his. But remember this, everything worthwhile takes time. Keep your distance. Wait it out and allow him the time and space he needs to complete his task. Don't seem overly attached or needy, as this can make you appear desperate, which will push him away rather than pull him closer. Believe in yourself, and know that a man who deserves you will believe in you as well, doing everything he can to be yours. 5. Be the powerful lady you are. Men prefer to be in the company of strong women who they can see as true partners. They enjoy the sense of being a knight in shining armor, and they enjoy being the hero who protects their queen every once in a while. They also want to know that when they're in charge of the kingdom, they can count on their queen to stand tall and powerful at their side. So don't be scared to prove to him that you're a capable, independent woman. Don't try to hide your abilities. Don't feel embarrassed by your own might. Allow him to see that you can manage whatever life throws at you and that you will not crumble under pressure. Women like that inspire a lot of admiration in guys. And if he notices that in you, it will undoubtedly increase his desire for you. 4. Play hard to get, even if it means ignoring him. Relationships should not be built on mental games. However, a little bit of forethought may occasionally set the ball going. You have to be nasty at times to reap the benefits. Playing hard to get may appear to be putting him off, but it actually helps to feed the thrill of the chase that men crave. And it also protects him from losing interest because it's all too simple and he got what he wanted without having to work for it. Allow him to do the chasing instead of focusing on him. When it comes to the guy you really want to pay attention to, the idea is to not give him that attention so that he will come around and seek that attention from you. He'll yearn for that attention and he'll yearn for you more than ever. 3. Let him believe he's in control. Men despise being bossed around or dominated in any way. They aspire to be the top dog. That doesn't mean you can't be in command. All he needs to do is believe he is. To acquire what you desire, figure out how to offer subtle clues. Guys don't want to date overly bossy person. Keep in mind that a man's attention will wane if he has a boss. 2. Avoid always initiating. You must offer a man the opportunity to pursue you if you want him to do so. If you're constantly the one making plans with him, texting him on weekends, and contacting him when he's on your mind, you're not really giving him an opportunity to pursue you since you're the one chasing him. While you may want to see, talk to, and text him all the time because you like him, it's critical that you give him the chance to pursue you. In many circumstances, a male will not pursue a girl who is following him since he is aware that he does not have to. 1. Be mysterious. A man is more likely to pursue you if you can build a feeling of mystery around yourself and your everyday routine. To excite his interest, for example, instead of telling him everything you did over the weekend and giving him a play-by-play, you could keep things ambiguous. That way, he'll be curious in who you were with and what you were up to. And he'll be more interested in learning more about you because you're more than meets the eye. He'll be even more curious and inspired to learn more about you and try to figure you out if you choose to be elusive and vague with him. That's the end of this video. As always, thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to see more content like this.